Yeah, but advice na say. Advice me no take that motor for Rogers. Since people don't identify that phone for that motor. I don't know because I mean Roger did do work now. But what if he tell you now say he will fix that thing, then no fix them? How you do? He no fix them. He no fix that water pump because na heavy duty work like it up. And that for retail, you know, the test now 1,000 waiting.
Mikey, but nobody likes Mikey.
Yeah, prefer me some different man fix them. Because if you take 150, if you be go fix now whatever na 450. If you be rig that thing, you know for the inside the problem. You know for the inside the problem. So now the water pump is the problem. But you fix the water pump. You don't fix them. I don't know what you do. The next day the problem come back.
I had to go for you.
Yeah, I prefer to me young for that for the radio. That's the problem. You know, say if they don't say the money, it's okay.
So, what do I want to do?
No, what I know about that one, the other for who else? Roger don't really know you know. He don't really know you say the person when you get one small problem from motor to more fixer and you more pay. Any small problem from you from motor to phone, you are still shake and you get a fixer. So you know say
You need some garage for what's more about your man to work fast. So, the African.
no.
Come on, sir.
But you know, the other people that for the way they diagnose how much we change the water pump.
Don't even tell me, like.
But if I ask them no, you compare no. If I ask them, if I tell you it's too expensive, if I tell you no, it's a bit different from the salary you want to pay, you better to have. No, so me I never look my things so. The best way I know it when I own the business, if it easily cheating than person way if you work under somebody's business. It's not fit cheat you because the money enter in your pocket. The money enter in your pocket. Now, he go take you 300, so he go tell you the password you buy am. He go tell you the partner 200, he go tell you that partner 400. You get the money back with it. All those things, I mean, that's what I remember. That's why I would rather go to my church and pay my life. able to keep up. May you not say you want the motor. You want if you not say want the motor, so he just give you a quick fix.